Good day to all of you. Today I am going to start my second video lesson. I hope you understood everything I taught in the previous lesson. Today we are going to learn about adding and subtracting by partitioning. Can you turn to page 64? Right. This lesson we will not be able to write answers on the textbook directly. In the previous one we had enough space to write the answers on the textbook. But here we won't be able to write answers in the textbook directly. We have to write answers in the writing book, then copy it to the text. I think you understood clearly. Okay. Right. Here we are using place value cards to show the value of each digit. Can you see green color cards here and yellow color cards? Can you see green color numbers and orange color numbers? Orange color cards, green color cards, orange color numbers, green color numbers. Right. If we take a number like 35, we say 5 is in units column. The first column is called units. Then the second column, what do you call it? We call the second column tens column. If you have another number like 135, that one is in hundreds column. Likewise, thousands, 10,000s columns are there. Here we are dealing only with 2-digit numbers. That means we are learning unit column and the tens column. Right. I think now you can identify the difference between the colors. Orange colors are in units column, green colors are in tens column. In 35, 5 is in units column. How do we know? 5 units are there. We'll count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units are there. In 3, 3 is in tens column. How many tens? 3 tens. 3 tens is 30. We'll count and see whether there are 30 green color cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30. Right. Okay, we'll come to the question. Here we are going to add using partitioning. Partitioning means what? We are partition a number into units and tens. Here we'll take 35. Here, how many units are there? 5 units. How many tens are there? 3 tens. 3 tens means 30. 5 units. Okay. When we partition 35, 30 plus 5. 30 is in tens, 5 is in units. Similarly, we'll take 46. Right. In units column we have 6. Can you count and check? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 orange color boxes are there. That means 6 orange color boxes are there. That means there are 6 units. Tens ones we'll see. How many tens? 4 tens. 4 tens means 4 into 10, 40. We should have 40 green color cards. We'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 10, 40. So there are 40 green color cards. Right. So we are adding by partitioning. We partition one number into tens and units. The second number also we partition into tens and units. And we add tens separately and units separately. Finally we get the total. We'll see how we can do that. In the first number we have 3 tens, that is 30. In the second number we have 4 tens. 4 tens means 40. We add tens separately. 30 plus 40 is 70. The 40, 50, 60, 70. Answer is 70. we add units separately. What are the units? 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5 plus 6 is 11. Then finally we add the total of tens and total of units. Total of tens is 70. Total of units is 11. We add both together. We'll add and see. 0 plus 1, 1. 7 plus 1, 8. So the final answer is 81. Good. Now we'll come to the questions. Right. There are 11 questions. I'll explain 4 of them. We'll come to the first one. 54 plus 37. Right. We'll see how I have partition. Okay. First question. See, 54 plus 37. First number is 54. How many units? 4 units are there. How many tens? 5 tens are there. We are adding 37 to 54. In 37, how many units are there? 7 units and 3 tens. I told you we are adding tens separately and units separately. Before that, we'll partition the numbers. 54, when we partition, 50, 5 tens plus 4 units. 50 plus 4. 37 will partition. How many tens? 3 tens. 3 tens means 30. How many units? 7 units. Then we add tens together, then units together. Tens, 50 and 30. 50 plus 30. 60, 70, 80. 50 plus 30 is 80. Then units together. 4 plus 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 4 plus 7 is 11. Then we get the total of 80 and 11. We'll add them. 0 plus 1, 1. 8 plus 1, 9. The final answer is 91. Now you can go to the textbook and write the answer in this book, in this box, and complete the calculation in the writing book. Right. I'll take the second one. Second question. Can you read? 17 plus 65. Okay. We'll partition the first number first. How many units? 7 units. How many tens? 1 ten. 1 ten means 10 into 1, 10. Plus second number, 65. We'll partition that. 65. How many units? 5 units. How many tens? 6 tens. 6 tens means 6 times 10, 60. We add tens together and units together. Tens together, 10 plus 60. 60, 70. Then units together. 7 plus 5. From 7 add 5. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7 plus 7 plus 5 is 12. Then we add 70 and 12. 0 plus 2, 2. 7 plus 1, 8. Right. Then I'll take another example from last ones. I'll take 10th one. What is the 10th question? 10th question is 48 plus 35 is what? In the writing book, write down the question. 48 plus 35 is what? First we'll partition the first number. 48. How many units? 8 units. How many tens? 4 tens. 4 tens means 10 times 4, 40. Plus 35. How many units? 5 units. How many tens? 3 tens. 3 tens means 3 times 10, 30. We add tens together, units together. 40 plus 30. 50, 60, 70. Answer is 70. 8 plus 5. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 8 plus 5 is 13. So we add 70 and 13 together. 0 plus 3, 3. 7 plus 1, 8. So the answer is 83. Copy the answer to the writing book. 83. We'll take the 11th one also. Can you see a difference? Yes. In all the previous questions we add two numbers together. Here we have to add three numbers together. We'll see how I have done it. Right. First we'll partition 18, 8 units, 1 10. We'll partition 25, 5 units, 2 tens. 2 tens is 20. Then the third number 34, 4 units and 3 tens. 3 tens means 3 times 10, 30. We add tens together and units together. What are the tens? 10, 20 and 30. Shall we add them? 10 plus 20, 30. 30 plus 30, 30, 40, 50, 60. So the answer is 60. Then the units 8 plus 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus 4, 14, 15, 16, 17. Then the total of units column is 17. Then we'll add them together. 7 plus 0, 7. 6 plus 1, 7. So the total final answer is 77. Similarly, you have to partition and get the total for all the questions in this exercise, like I have done here, 1 to 11, and copy the answers to the textbook. Right. Okay, we'll move to next page, page number 65. There also we have to do the additions, and here we have subtractions also using the same method. Can you see previous page? They have marked units numbers in orange and tens in green, but here both the numbers are in black. But we have to use the same method to add or subtract them, the method of partitioning. Right. I'll explain few of these questions. Okay, shall we go to my answers? Right. We come to the first question. 35 plus 42 is equal 1. This one also you have to do it in the writing book and copy the answer to the text. Right. First you are partitioning the numbers, then adding tens and units separately together like we did earlier. 35, 5 units, 3, how many tens? 3 tens. 3 tens means 30. Plus 42. How many units? 2 units. How many tens? 4 tens. 4 tens means 10 times 4, 40. Add tens together. 40 plus 30. 50, 60, 70. Tens, 70. Units, 5 plus 2, 7. So we add units separately and tens. 7 plus 0, 7. 7 here. The total is 77. We'll take the next example now. Question number 2. 26 plus 31. 26, 6 units, 2 tens. 2 tens means 20. Plus 31, 1 unit, 3 tens is 30. Add tens together. 20 plus 30, 40, 50. Units together, 6 plus 1, 7. Then we add 7 plus 0, 7, 5 here. then the answer is 50 plus 7, 57. Right. Okay, we'll come to subtractions now. From question 17 to 20, the questions are subtractions. They say these ones are not hard. We see whether it is true or false. Right. Read the question 17. When we subtract 42 from a number, we get 23. That means when we add 23 and 42, we should get the answer for the box. Well, right. 42 and 23. We are adding units together. 3 plus 2, 5. 4 plus 2, 6. 65. That means when we subtract 42 from 65, we should get the answer 23. Shall we check? 5 minus 2, 3. 6 minus 4, 2. Our answer is correct. We'll take the 18th one. When we subtract 35 from a number, we should get 22. That means when we add 22 and 35, we should get the answer for this box. We'll add and see. Add units together. 5 plus 2, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll subtract and see whether our answer is correct or not. 7 minus 5, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. Our answer is correct. I'll explain 19 and 20 also. We have to subtract 47 from a number to get 36. We are adding 36 and 47 together. We'll add units first. 6 plus 7. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. We have 1 in the next column. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 6, 7, 8. Answer is 83. Question number 20. When we subtract 58 from a number, we should get 27. Add units together. 7 plus 8, 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. Take 1 to the next column. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 85. When we subtract 58 from 85, our answer is 27. Right. Now we'll move to the word problems. Shall we read the word problem? Okay. Here, question number 21. Jade has money in 2 purses. She has 26 pence in one purse and 62 pence in another. How much has she altogether? What we have to do? Subtraction or addition? They are asking the total, so we have to add the values in both the purses. Right, that means we have to add 26 pence to 62 pence. See how I have done that? Right, 26 pence plus 62 pence. First we have to partition 26. 6 units and 2 tens. 2 tens means 20 plus 62. 2 units and 6 tens. 6 tens means 6 times 10, 60. Add tens together and units together. Tens together, 20 plus 60, 70, 80. 80 pence. Units together, 6 plus 2, 7, 8. So we have to add 80 pence and 8. This came from tens column. This came from units column. Now we'll add 80 plus 8. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. 80 plus 8 is 88. What is the unit? Pence. So we can write the answer as Jane has altogether 88 pence. This workout you have to do in the writing book, and the final answer can be written in the text. Right. We'll move to the 22. That is also a word problem. I'll read the question. Males that weighs 46 kilograms more than male. Male weighs 28 kilograms. How much does a dad weigh? Male is 28 kilograms. His father is 46 kilograms more than 46. Then how can we find the weight of the father? By adding 28 and 46 kilograms. Earlier we added pencils. Here we are adding kilograms. We'll see how I have done that. Right, we are adding 46 and 28. Same method we are using. First partition, then add. Partition 46. Now you can do it easily and quickly. 46, 40 plus 6. 28, 20 plus 8. Add tens together, add units together. We'll add tens together. 40 plus 20 is 60. 6 plus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Answer is 14. Either we can add 8 to 6 or 6 to 8. In both ways answer is same. So first we'll add units. 0 plus 4, 4. 6 plus 1, 7. So male's father's weight is what? 74 kilograms. We can write the answer in the text. Right. Now we'll come to the end of the lesson. Think part. Can you read the think part? Okay. Write as many addition questions as you can using the digits 4, 5, 6 and 7. How many digits are there? 4 digits. What are the digits? 4, 5, 6, 7. I have written 2 examples. What you have to do? You have to do addition questions. First I have added 45 and 67. Then I have added 46 and 57. The condition is you can't use one digit twice in one addition. That means one digit can't be duplicated. We'll see how I have done. First one, 45 plus 67. First partition, 40 plus 5. 67 partition, 60 plus 7. Add tens together, 40 plus 60. 70, 80, 90, 100. Answer is 100. Units together, 5 plus 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the answer is 12. So we get the total of tens and get the total of units. 100 plus 12. 0 plus 2, 2. 0 plus 1, 1. This one comes here. So the answer is 112. Second one, 46 plus 57. 46 partition, 40 plus 6. 57 partition, 50 plus 7. Tens together, 40 and 50. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Total of tens is 90. We'll see total of units, 6 plus 7. 6 plus 6 is 12. Here we have 6 plus 7. So we have to add one more. 6 plus 7 is then 13. We'll add units first. 0 plus 3, 3. 9 plus 1, 10. So the answer is 103. Right. We'll stop here for today until we start from the next page, next lesson. It's goodbye.